how to fix DLL error on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the DLL error on your Windows 10 or 11, then just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to check is your C drive space. So you need to open up your File Explorer, and from your File Explorer you need to go with your local disk C, and here you need to make sure that you have some space, and once you have some space we can proceed. And now you need to set a virtual memory. So to do that you need to go with your search, and under search you need to search for View Advanced System Settings. After that, you need to just go with the performance section, and under performance, you need to go with settings. And here you need to go with the advanced section. After that, here you will have change. So click on change, and under change here, you need to untick this option. Once you've unticked, you need to select your C drive. And here you need to click on custom size, and you need to enter your initial size and your maximum size. So it depends on your bit system. So if you have a 32-bit system, you will have different size, and if you have 64, you will have the different size. And the other thing is you need to right click on your taskbar and then go with your task manager. Under your task manager here you need to go with the performance section, and you need to go with the memory section. And under memory, as you can see that I have 8 GB. So I'll just adjust my virtual memory with my physical memory. So to do that you need to open up your calculator. After opening your calculator, now what you need to do is you just need simply go with 1024 multiplied by your memory. So I have 8, so I'll just simply multiply it by 8, and the answer is 8192. And you need to multiply this answer with 1.5, and after that you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply copy this, and you need to add it to your initial size, and just remove the comma right here. And now the maximum size will be 3 times more of your physical memory. So to do that, you need to multiply the MB with 3, which is 3 times. And after that, you will get your maximum size. Copy this maximum size and paste it right here. Remove the comma. Once you've done with this, now you need to just go with OK. And after setting your virtual memory, you need to restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.